This video refers to page 16 of the textbook, to the section that says how a spreadsheet works with percentages. So first of all, let's understand what a percentage is. A percentage is a method of expressing a fraction in relation to the number 100, e.g. a quarter is 25% and 3/4 is 75%. So that's a very important thing to be aware of, that a percentage is actually just another way of saying a fraction. And it's generally numbers smaller than 1. So if you're feeling a little unwell, you say, I'm not feeling 100%, meaning I'm not feeling complete. So 1 is 100%, a quarter is 25%, 3/4 is 75%. To convert a fraction to a percentage, we multiply by 100, e.g. a quarter by 100 is equal to 100 over 4, which is 25%. Or 3/4 by 100 is equal to 300 over 4, which is equal to 75%. But that's what you'd do if you were doing it by hand or on a calculator. In Excel, it's done differently. In a spreadsheet, there's no need to multiply by 100. The spreadsheet does this for you when you click the percent style button. So, for example, entering 0.25 and clicking the percent style button gives 25%. Entering 0.4 and clicking the percent style button gives 40%. However, that's all a bit mathematical because you have to remember to enter the percentage as a decimal first, so there must be an easier way, and there is. Percentages can also be entered directly without using the percent style button. Entering 25% in a cell achieves the same result as entering 0.25 and then clicking the percent style button. So in general, we advise against putting any letters or symbols in with numbers, but percentage is an exception because it's a mathematically recognized symbol. So the book reminds us again that if you're using the percent style button, you must make sure that your number is between 0 and 1. So to get a percentage between 0 and 100, when you click the percent style button, the number in the cell must be between 0 and 1. The reason he's emphasizing this is that people often think that they can type in the percentage as 25, press enter, and then click on it again and use the percent style button. But if you do that, I get a surprising result. I get 2,500%. And why is that? Well, 1 is actually 100%. So if I key in 1 and press enter and then click the percent style button, I'll get 100%. So 25 would be 25 by 100% would give me 2,500%. So if you're keying in numbers and you're going to use the percent style button, you have to remember that they have to be in a decimal. And it's so much easier if you just go by the example of typing the number in with the percentage sign, and then there can be no confusion. So that's the end of the video on how Excel works with percentages.